here we are in Totem.
Speak for yourself.
Having an incredible week in Panama with Bian and Jamie and Niall and Siobhan and Marin. And Bian made this incredible dinner for us, and we thought we'd share it with you.
We had the convergence of opportunity that made this one particular meal come together, and it was that we were gifted fresh caught tuna from a friend, and we had a local indigenous Guna Indian come and sell us some coconuts from his canoe, and I wanted to share a special meal that we actually picked up in the Maldives with our visiting friends, Waters family.
Hi, I'm Nica Waters.
I'm Bian Gifford.
And welcome to Tasty Thursday. Today we're doing
MASHUNI.
from
It's a Maldivian salad breakfast thing.
that also is really great if you just eat it with a spoon.
Yeah,
at
pretty much.
sundowners.
It's so good. I'm making Roshi, Maldivian roti, basically. It's a flatbread, and you tear off pieces and use it to pick up curry, or you can kind of pretend it's a tortilla and roll things with it if you want to be more American. But yeah. We're going to start with flour in here and a pinch of salt. As soon as I can work it with my hands, I want to work it with my hands. It's just way too hot right now. Here, but you want to kind of roll around, roll it into a ball, and then flatten it just a little bit. And
This is the coconut grater, exactly like the people in remote islands use. And it's very effective at grating coconut.
How long does it take you to do a coconut half?
I have probably 3 minutes, 4 minutes.
we want to have about the same quantity of coconut as we have of tuna. And we want the tuna to be shredded.
So we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. About 4 tablespoons of lime juice. Yep, so you notice it's a bottle of lime juice. Can't find limes around here, but got a nice bottle of lime juice left from Colombia? Martinique. Colombia. Yep, so that's what happens, is you actually use what you got. Kind of a cool thing to do. And look, yum, yum, yum.
Take a roti, and you just tear off a hunk of it, and you use that to squeeze up some of the good stuff and eat. Delicious. So MASHUNI normally would be made with tuna that you've caught freshly, with coconut that you've just grated, but you might not have access to those things. That's fine. In fact, when we were in Maldives, a lot of Maldivians were making their MASHUNI with tuna from a can because it's convenient. So if you're making it with tuna from a can, don't feel bad, just get dolphin-free tuna. And if you don't have a coconut, and actually a fresh coconut is not necessarily that hard to get. You can get them often in Latin markets or supermarkets, and you want the ones that are husked, so it's like a brown kind of gristly area outside, and crack it and grate the meat inside. You could do it in the food processor. But you could also buy unsweetened desiccated coconuts. So not the sweetened stuff in the baking aisle, but usually something more in maybe with dried fruit and dried nuts or health food store. And rehydrate that a little bit. Water's probably fine. Coconut milk's probably even better, so you can get some of the fat back in it. And use rehydrated desiccated coconut and canned tuna. Totally fine, and even not that different from the way a lot of Maldivians are making it themselves.
So there you have it. MASHUNI with fresh ingredients, and MASHUNI that you might want to be able to do with the stuff that you have at home.
We didn't even have the fresh limes. We used lime juice out of a bottle.
Lime juice out of a
right?
bottle.
So
That's right. It's
use
what you have. That's it. We're all about what you can do. So happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like. Tag a friend you think should see it. Share it with somebody who loves coconuts and fish and putting things together from countries that you may not have been to. And don't forget to follow sailingtotem.com. They have a great blog, all kinds of amazing things. And don't forget to subscribe to Tasty Thursday. We will be back next week with something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself.
This is the ancient art of coconut grating.
Tasty Thursday. There you go.
Adds extra nutritional value if you get down and you grate some of the nut.
Extra fiber.
Fiber?
Yeah, extra
Fiber content.
You filming? You're on. Oh, right. We're on. We're on.
We're on.